Tonight, we're looking at footage that homeowners wish they had never seen. They open their doors expecting packages, visitors, maybe raccoons. But what their doorbell cameras captured was none of those things. These are the moments that made people check their locks. Twice. This is doorbell cameras that captured something, not human. The crawler. Our first clip comes from a quiet suburban neighborhood, the kind of place where nothing strange ever happens, until it does. It's just past 3 a.m. when the motion sensor activates. A figure enters the frame. But the way it moves is wrong. Watch closely. It's low to the ground. Its limbs are bending in ways they shouldn't. And when it gets close enough to the camera, you can see it doesn't have eyes. Just two dark, hollow sockets staring directly into the lens. Moments later, it scrambles away on all fours, faster than any human should be able to move. The homeowner reviewed the footage 8 times and still refuses to go outside after dark. The visitor. Next, we have something far quieter. A man wakes up to a notification. Person detected. But when he checks the live view, no one is standing at the door. No movement, nothing. He rewinds the clip. And that's when he sees it, a tall, thin silhouette, almost 6 feet tall, standing completely still, completely silent. But here's the disturbing part. Its body flickers, like a bad signal, like it's glitching in and out of existence. The figure leans in toward the doorbell camera, but there's no face, just a void. When police arrived minutes later, the snow on the porch was untouched. No footprints. Nothing human had been there. The smiler. This one is short, but once you see it, you'll never unsee it. It's late evening. A family is settling down for bed when the doorbell chimes, silch, but no one rang it. The camera activates, revealing a head, leaning in from the very bottom of the frame upside down. A grin, far too wide to be human, stretches across its face. It whispers something, but the microphone only captures static. Then as suddenly as it appeared, the face drops out of view. When police searched the area, they found claw marks on the underside of the porch railing. The shadow that crosses. This final clip was sent in by someone who swears they were home alone. The motion alert starts at 2:41 a.m. The porch light flickers, and a long, stretched shadow moves across the front door. But there's no body attached to it. It walks past, pauses, then returns, as if it's searching for something. On the second pass, the shadow stops directly in front of the camera, and for a split second, you can hear a whisper. "Let me in." The homeowner moved out 2 weeks later. They never returned. So, what exactly are these doorbell cameras capturing? Creatures? Entities? Something we weren't meant to see? One thing is certain. The next time your doorbell rings at night, you might think twice before checking the camera. If you want more terrifying footage like this, don't forget to follow, like, and send in your own clips. And remember, sometimes the scariest things are the ones waiting right outside your door. Like, comment, subscribe to DarkProofTV, and hit that notification bell. Thank you.